Bang' bedo kod tamnieri marabora ahinya to bende modiche malich mokalo gi weche mag somo, AAgoro Sare National School mabende yudore Homa Bay County gikone to koro ne obedo koda nyasi noero mar tipo mar nyiso kido kod timbe oganda mano the Cultural Day 2025. En nyasi mabende ne owe kamor kod ilo malich mokalo omieno lela wang' nyithindo goeko mag AAgoro Sare kanyakla koda jopuonj mabende puonjogi mana kaka ipimonwa koda migosi Okeyo, japuonj maduong' e skul yawuoyi noero mag AAgoro Sare.
Today we had a very memorable younger festive. We also call it the AAgoro Sare Talent and Cultural Day. In our school, we develop all the faculties of the students. We ensure that they have holistic upbringing, that they perform well in class. They also develop their various inner talents.
Kabende kopogore koda weche goeko mag somo, japuonj maduong' migosi Okeyo koro yango ne kala TV ni mich kata talent mabende nyithindo gintiere go ka Nyasaye otayogi kendo otalonegi ginyalo biro chiemogo igni goeko makiny.
I know that the talent pays. That is why we talk of talanta hela. That when they develop, some of them don't even know that they have those talents, but through this activity, they end up knowing that they have some hidden talent that they should be developed. Again, after a long period of academic work, it is important for us to steam off. Even teachers also need to steam off.
Kabende ne nyasi mabende ne ota kod lony mararie ya maliche mokalo mabende ne owe nyithindo AAgoro Sare goeko ka jombola kendo morie maliche mokalo mana kipimonwa koda migosi Kevin Ogutu mabende ne japuonj mabende ne tayo kendo bago chenro maket kod mago.
The show has been good. It will not be true if I say that it was easy. It wasn't easy, but with the help of the administration and the school, we managed to have the show, and I can say it's a success.
Korka kore jalup japuonj maduong' e skund yawuoyi niere mag AAgoro Sare mano migosi David Odhiambo Ayoro bende ne onyiso mor kotenre kod talanta kata weri mabende noneno kuom nyithindo goeko kabende opuoyogi malich mokalo ni kata obedo ni gitimo mbele klas to kata gintie kod mich mabende ginyalo chiemogo igni goeko makiny.
Today has been a very marvelous day in the sense that the students have shown that they have talents which God gave them. I've seen some students showing us the talents which I did not know that they have, in the sense that I've thought that they were just good academically because they have been very good in mathematics, chemistry, sciences, and physics. That is sciences, but today I've seen talents which I've never seen before. I've realized that these students have got talents, and if you expose them to such like days, they will show you the talent which they have.
Kabende nyasi maket kod maendi skund yawuoyi mag AAgoro Sare ne obago kende tayo e tich achiel kod migawo moro mok mar piny owacho mabende ong'ere kaka Africware Unit. Mana kaka ipimonwa koda migosi Evans Omula mabende en jata tije Africware kono.
Leo tuko hapa AAgoro Sare High School whereby tumewapea platform ya kushowcase their talent in various categories kama singing, artwork, public speaking, news reading. Right now they are doing modeling, which is very competitive. Naona the competition ya modeling hapa iko kwa kiwango kingine cha juu sana, sababu ukicompare na other schools ya hapa iko juu sana, especially for boys schools. So I do encourage those young talents, especially those who are in school, kama kuna kipaji usikalie, sababu nowadays talent inalipa sana.
Kidegogo ya AAgoro Sare goeko ne onyiso mor malich mokalo kotenre koda nyasi maket kod maendi kabende gigoero kamano ne skund gino ero kuom ne parogi kendo bago negi nyasi maket kod maendi. Jabez Onel kanyakla koda Wayne Odhiambo giduto gin jotend jopuonjre skund yawuoyi niere mag AAgoro Sare.
We've had an event, cultural event. It's been a very enjoyable event. The students have enjoyed. We have loved the event. We want to thank the administration for the work they've done, for the support they've given us throughout this event, contributions they made, the support, the work they did as we were preparing for this event. We also want to thank the students who have actively participated in this event. We are very grateful towards that action of the students.
I'm very happy this day has been successful. At the beginning we never thought it would be this way, but I thank God that it has come to the success that it has been. We appreciate the administration for the purposes that they have seen for us to enjoy this day. Actually, it has been a nice day for the students. I believe the way they react in school, the way they are celebrating, the excitement they show is just.
Nekala TV kuke skuni ya weni rima AAgoro Sare, Homa Bay County, and Justice Adoyo.